Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy in Shopify. Buying from a Shopify store is a straightforward process designed for a smooth shopping experience. Many independent businesses use Shopify to power their online shops, offering unique products directly to you. We will cover everything from finding your desired items to completing your purchase and tracking your order. It's a simple journey, typically involving just a few clicks to get what you need. Once you are on a Shopify store, finding what you want is easy. You can explore different categories like clothing or home goods, or use the search bar if you have something specific in mind. When you find an item you like, click on it to see more details, including multiple photos and a full description. Make sure to choose your correct size, color, or any other options before adding it to your shopping cart. After adding all your desired items, head to your shopping cart to review your selections. This is where you can make any final adjustments to quantities or remove items. Next, you will enter your shipping information, ensuring all details are accurate for a smooth delivery. Finally, choose your payment method. Most stores accept major credit cards, PayPal, or other digital payment services, making checkout quick and secure. Once your purchase is complete, you will immediately receive an order confirmation email. This email contains all the important details of your transaction, including a unique order number. Many stores also provide a tracking number within this email, allowing you to follow your package's journey from the warehouse to your doorstep. You can usually click a link to see real-time updates, giving you peace of mind until your items arrive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.